Okay, children. The next topic is types of chemical reactions. Okay, types of chemical reaction. There are different types. Okay, and the first one is the chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction. In this, children see two components, two reactants. The two reactants A plus B. These are the two reactants. They undergo reaction and forms one product. Then it is AB. Okay. So these two are the reactants and this is the product. So single product formed. Okay. So this is a combination. Combination means both of them are combining together, joining together and forming only one product. Then it is chemical combination reaction. And in another, the second one is the chemical decomposition reaction. Okay. Another one is the chemical decomposition. Decompose means splitting, breaking. Okay. Decomposition reaction. Here it is just opposite to the chemical combination reaction. Here what happened? That one product only, that product become the reactant. Okay. So here AB is the reactant. It just split up. It breaks and forming two products. So that is A plus B. So these are the products here. Two separate products formed. Here it is the reactant. Okay. So it is just a reverse of chemical combination reaction. And here children, in this decomposition, for splitting up we can do by three ways. One it is by heat. Then we can say that heat, if we are saying, then it is thermal decomposition. Okay, we can thermal decomposition. Because that reactant split up by the help of, with the help of heat. And if we are using the electricity, then what we will call? Then it is known as electrolysis. And then if it is by passing light, then it is known as photolysis. What it is? That is photolysis. These all are the that means helping for decomposing, splitting the reactant, okay, into two products. That is chemical decomposition. Now the third one is the displacement. Okay, third one is the displacement. Here in the displacement, you can see there are two displacement reactions, single displacement and double displacement. Okay, so the third one is the displacement, chemical displacement reaction. In this single displacement, in single displacement what happened? Single displacement reaction. Here see, A, it's an element, and here B, C, it's a compound. Okay, it's an element and it is a compound. Here see, A is here more reactive. Okay, so here more reactive, it will go here, and from this compound one is very less reactive. Okay, so that will be replaced by this highly, that more reactive element. This A go here and replaces B out. Okay, so it replaces out and it takes its place. Okay, that is, then how it will form? AC. Okay, AC plus B. B will be separated. So it form that this element goes here and it will become a compound here, and then B comes out. So here that is single displacement, means only one element only. Okay, highly reactive element displaces the weaker element from the compound and it takes its place. Then that is known as single displacement. Now in the double displacement, what happens? In double displacement, both the places, okay, they exchange their positions or exchange their ions. For example, here AB plus CD, okay, AB plus CD. So here A plus A is positive, here B is negative, here it is positive and here it is negative. So what happens? This A will goes with the negative here. So here it goes here and this one goes here. Okay, this goes here and it goes here. So here how it forms? Just do the replacement. Ions are exchanging. Okay, the positive ion goes with the negative ion and forming AD plus here this positive ion go to here and forming CB. Okay, this is double displacement reaction. Understood? Now the next reaction is oxidation reaction. Okay, what it is? Oxidation. In oxidation reaction, what happened? Addition of oxygen. Oxygen is added. Addition of oxygen, or we can say that removal of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen. Both are what? They are oxidation. If we are saying about reduction, just opposite to this. What it will be? Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. Then it is reduction. Okay, so for here oxidation reaction, carbon plus oxygen. So here carbon is here oxidizing. Okay, so and forming carbon dioxide. So here what happens? Oxygen joined with the carbon is which is goes here. Okay, so here carbon gets oxygen. So oxygen is added here. Okay, so it is what? Oxidation reaction. And if we talk about then what else? If we talk about the reduction reaction, then we can say that magnesium or reduction. In reduction, what happens? Reduction, oxygen, hydrogen is added, okay, and oxygen is removed. Here if we say about MgO, that is magnesium oxide plus carbon, then what happens here? This Mg will be separate, oxygen will go here, okay, so then Mg will be separate, so magnesium will be separated and forms a carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide formed. So here what it is? Oxygen is losing here, right? Here oxygen is adding. Understood? Adding oxygen and here oxygen is losing. So then a magnesium becomes separate and goes here and forming carbon monoxide. Okay. So here this is the reduction reaction. Okay. So children, the next reaction is redox reaction. Okay, redox reaction. Here, see what happens. Redox. See here, reduction and oxygen. Okay, here oxidation, reduction and oxidation. Both the reactions occurs simultaneously in a reaction. Then it is known as redox reaction. Here, for example, if I say copper oxide, okay, copper oxide, this copper oxide, it react with hydrogen, okay, it react with the hydrogen and here forming, here see this copper will be here reduced, okay, because oxygen is removing here, okay, oxygen will be removed. And then what forms? Here copper will be separated. Copper plus this oxygen comes here. Okay. So here oxygen is reducing. Okay. So it is reduction. because removal of oxygen from copper oxide, oxygen is reduced and comes copper separate and oxygen, and this here then this oxygen that react with this hydrogen and forming water H2O. Okay, H2O, that is water. And here what is happening? Hydrogen here adding. Okay, oxygen react with hydrogen and here hydrogen is adding, and but oxygen, we can say that oxygen is added. Okay, hydrogen is removing only this hydrogen, but oxygen is added with the hydrogen and forming water. Here oxygen added, so it is what? Oxidation. Oxygen is added here. Okay, here oxygen is removed from copper oxide, so it is reduction. And here this, in this what, the second part, this part, if we say about this, here hydrogen, here oxygen is added with the hydrogen. Okay, so this oxygen goes here. Understood? Here copper comes here, this oxygen loose, and then that oxygen goes here. So here oxygen is added with this. So what is it? Oxidation reaction. So oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously, that is redox reaction. This reaction is not explained in your class, you will learn this in the higher classes. Okay children, practice it well. Thank you children.